Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage voice assistant for your earbuds Defire Neo Dots. Firstly, we need to add this feature to the gesture, because by default we cannot call voice assistant. To do this, you need to open a DefireConnex application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. After that, you need to go to the settings at the right top and to control settings. Now decide you want to use double press, triple press, or maybe press and hold. And right here we have voice assistant, so we need to select it. Also we can use a right one, and here it is. We also have voice assistant for the double, triple, and press and hold. So let's say I want to add it for the double press for my right earbud, and I just tap at the voice assistant. And now I can call it. So the touch area located right here, and I need to press 2 times on it, and 1, 2. Okay, maybe again 1, 2. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!